Hi, my
Namaste,
darling
Pranam.
loves. This video is very random, I know, but I've been seeing all your wishes and your messages, and you're making my day so special.
ठीक क्या बात
But
है
on this day, I wanted
मैं
to
समझ
ask
सकता हूँ
you,
बिहार
how
में
are
बहुत सारी
you?
प्रॉब्लम है
How is your health? How is your mind? How is your heart? If you're happy, having a great day, awesome. I hope that good lasts forever and ever and ever. But if you're not having a great day or a great time, my love, remember, this too shall pass. The thing is, knowing this has got me through my bad days, and I care about you so much, so your good days and bad days affect me too. So know that I love you as much as you love me. So thank you so much for making me.
लगेगा ये आपका भाई भी पुष्पा 2 से कम नहीं है। ऐसा मैंने काम किया है, उसमें ऐसा रोल किया है मैंने डांस में, वो सांप के ऊपर कहानी है, सांप के जहर के ऊपर। आपको पता चलेगा जब आप सिनेमा देखेंगे तो लव यू ऑल, थैंक यू नेपाल।